way to Port Stanley. It's another beach here in Canada, Ontario, Canada. It's raining today. It's gloomy, so that means we can't go to the beach. We are, however, going to Mackie's. It's a French fries place. Apparently, they sell amazing French fries, huh, John?
Yeah.
So I'm excited to try that.
Yeah, we used to go there as kids. Like my dad would take our family there, and we would stop at Mackie's while at the beach and have their French fries. And then on the way back, we would always stop at Shaw's Ice Cream, which is delicious.
I'm excited to try that ice cream too.
So here we go to Port Stanley.
In a town called pass by. Saint Thomas.
Saint Thomas.
Saint Thomas.
Hey, Saint Thomas.
Is that your French accent?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel like it was more like Mexican.
No. Hey Lupe, is that a Mexican accent? I don't think so.
I don't know.
What's up there?
That's the old train bridge. St. Thomas is the railway city. They used to have a big railway. You know, they had connections, yo.
Sometimes I feel like this place is an old town.
An old town? What do you mean?
Old and deserted, that's what I mean.
Oh, yeah, it is kind of. Like, they used to have a lot more jobs here, and they kind of fell off in the past 10, 15 years. And so not a lot of people live here anymore, especially, I don't think a lot of young people live here. So.
Is this a place where people retire?
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh no, it's
I think
boring.
just a lot of older people do live here.
We don't have an umbrella. Oh no. Yeah, look. That place is haunted. Ow. Look at all the trees. Ontario looks so provincial, meaning like countryside. Because in the Philippines, when you say province, it means countryside, out of the city, all nature, basically a lot of trees. That's what they have here.
Yeah. Right there's the marina.
Can't really see it. Boats. Old houses. Oh no, we need an umbrella. Is there a place selling umbrella right now?
I'm not sure. I suppose it's possible.
It looks like an old town for sure.
Oh, the bridge is up. Cool. Oh, maybe not so cool. It's actually blocked.
So this is a different beach from the one we went to when we went camping. That beach is Turkey Point Beach, and this one is Port Stanley Beach.
Same lake, though, as far as I know.
Lake Erie, am I correct?
Yep.
Yes. One of your Great Lakes. Where is the French fry place?
It's right up here. It's right here. This place. Right here. Mackie's.
The blue building. Yes.
Oh my god, people are at Mackie's.
Oh.
I hate you stealing my French fries. No.
Hopefully they have enough for everyone.
Yeah, the undertow is really strong here, though.
Yeah, it looks like this beach is deep.
People drown here.
My orange shake. $6.71.
That's right.
Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hey, what can I get you for condiments? We just asked that you don't open the straws till you go inside, please.
Sure. Could I get some white vinegar and maybe 3? And then a bunch of ketchup.
Hey, for dipping?
Yeah.
How do I-
For dipping, yeah.
Dipping? The small one is equal to 2 of these. The big one is equal to 4.
Okay, can I get the 2 of them?
2 big ones or 2
No.
little ones?
One little one.
One little one?
And then salt, please.
And how many salt?
Just one is fine.
Uh,
Or 2.
I'll have some as well.
Okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mayonnaise, just help yourself. Is there who got in the way?
Thank you.
Look at the beach. Right, we're trying this. Okay. Fish and chips. And then cheers for our orangeade.
Try it.
Cheers. It's
good.
Yeah, it's very good. It's
Very good.
refreshing. Some orange juice. Let's try the French fries. Mmm. 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 Here's the fork. Try the fish and chips. Loud birds. They're so loud.
Yeah, they're terrible.
How's your food?
Pretty good.
Yeah? I love my fish and chips. Yummy. And my orange juice.
I thought about getting fish and chips too.
Yeah, I love fish and chips.
Probably should have.
Yeah.
Where's my pal Roy?
Your pal Roy?
Yeah, that's what I named him. There he is. Hey Roy. Here you go. Oh, you failed. It's your
failed.
second chance. Roy, get it.
No more. Sorry, guys. Ooh! We are here. Shaw's ice cream. What do you get usually?
I don't have a usual. I sort of get stuff.
Dun dun dun.
Unicorn
So many
toots.
choices. I need a minute.
Get some
Okay.
ice cream.
Hello.
Could I get the 2 soups? What does the NSA mean? No sugar added.
Can I get the Moose Tracks waffle cone, 1 scoop? Yeah. Yummy.
Peppermint bark moose tricks. That sounds pretty good.
Okay, we got our ice cream. I have Moose Tracks.
So I got banana and Port Stanley Sunken Treasure, which I don't know what's in there, but it sounds exciting.
What's in Moose Tracks?
Chocolate, vanilla, something else.
Oh, I
I
thought
don't know.
moose poop.
Yeah,
Moose poops.
Yes, that is the idea.
Mm.
You can also get unicorn toots at Shaw's, which is a fun.
Yeah,
ice
they have
cream flavor.
interesting flavors. So apparently Moose Tracks is only Canadian, right? It's Canadian flavor.
I don't know. as
I
far
think
as
it
know.
is. I've never heard of it till now.
Probably.
Mmm. So good. Mm. It's very creamy.
Yeah.
How's yours?
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like old-fashioned style ice cream.
Yeah. I see that. Mm. Tastes like it has peanut butter cups.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's the thing, I think.
Yeah. Some chocolate, vanilla, some other stuff in it, huh? Delicious.
Yeah, you have to figure it out and then like try and guess all of them now and then look it up later.
Yeah.